In this video, I'm going to show you a fully automated AI blogging system that publishes high-quality content for you. This simple AI tool that we're going to use handles everything, from finding the right topic specifically for your target audience, writing and optimizing your posts, to automatically publishing them in your blog. If you stick around until the end, you will have a complete blog automation setup and a way to keep traffic growing and rank on Google and ChatGPT without lifting a finger. Let's dive in. The tool we're going to use to grow your blog traffic on Autopilot with AI is called BabyLoveGrowth. It's an unusual name, I know. As you can see, it's an AI tool that automatically creates daily search engine and LLM optimized articles for your blog. It has a backlink exchange platform and it supports more than 20 languages. It has great reviews on Trustpilot, and you can also check out real success stories from the users who are already seeing results like more traffic and more visibility thanks to using BabyLoveGrowth. Now let me walk you through setting up BabyLoveGrowth step by step and launching your first batch of AI-generated articles so you can have the whole system up and running in under 15 minutes. Use the link in the description to start your free BabyLoveGrowth trial and follow along with the setup. So the first thing that you need to do after you create your account is to connect your website. From your dashboard, go to the area here, click Add New Website. I already have a few websites added, that's why I see a drop down here. Enter your website URL and click Continue. In this step, you will need to add some description for your business or for your site. You can always adjust it later in the settings and add target audience. After that, click Continue. If you have a sitemap created for your site, you can add a link here and also add a link to your best article so that the BabyLoveGrowth AI knows the style and also the structure of the article that you prefer. Both these things are optional, and if you don't have any of them, click Continue. In this step, you will need to add URL to at least 2 of your competitors that have similar product or have similar content so that the tool can evaluate what works in your space. Once you do that, click Continue, and you then will see the settings of the articles that the AI tool will create for you. If you're unsure about which settings to pick in the beginning, don't worry, you can always update them later. Here you can set a brand color for your articles, select if you want to include YouTube videos, citations, website screenshots, text embedded in images, and even JSON LD schema. Once you set everything up, click Continue, but as said, you can always go back and adjust those settings. As the last step, you can select the language in which you want to have the articles generated for you. You can select from more than 20 languages, and you can also add additional languages later. Then click the button Start 3-day trial. Alright, what happens now? In the background, the BabyLoveGrowth AI comes up with the content plan for your blog based on the information that it received for you. You can view the content plan in the content plan section here. You will see that it pre-created 30 articles for you, and during the trial you will be able to preview, edit, and even download 2 of them. Once you start your subscription, you also will be able to access other pieces of content. To preview the article, just click on the icon here and you will be able to see the full text of the article. You can easily edit the article by clicking Edit and then adjusting the text or remove the components that you don't want to have in your article. Once you're done, click Save and Close. You're not tied to the topics that AI generated for you. You can easily choose a different topic for your blog post. If you click on the icon with the arrows, it will open a pop-up for you where you will be able to select a different topic or even insert your own topic. Let's say I want to have an article about a Facebook pixel in ClickFunnels. I can preview different topics or different angles that AI suggests for that and select the one that I want to have. On top of that, you can provide some instructions for a specific article, like what exactly to cover in this article and how to structure the content to match your style. And then AI will consider those instructions when it creates this specific article. A natural question is, how good are the articles this tool creates? The quality of the articles is actually great, especially for something that is fully automated. The writing is clear and well structured, in my opinion, and is tailored to your audience based on your niche and settings. And if you want more control over the output, you can add instructions for the AI in the settings to guide the tone and structure of the articles. And as mentioned before, you can also add instructions for a specific article. Each article includes real source links, relevant YouTube videos. Again, you can disable that in the settings if you don't need it, and fitting graphics. You also get solid internal linking. Every post comes with 3 to 8 internal links to other content pieces on your site, plus a recommended article section at the end. Once you're happy with the article, you can easily download it and add it to your blog manually. Or you can take the whole automation even one step further by connecting your blog platform and automating the posting. You can see that BabyLoveGrowth already has integrations for a lot of popular CMS platforms, like for example WordPress, Webflow, Shopify, Wix, Framer, and so on. And you can easily connect them to automate the publishing in your blog. That's basically it. That's the whole setup that you need to create to automate the creation of the content and publishing in your blog. Another major benefit of using BabyLoveGrowth is that it builds backlinks for your blog completely on autopilot. Backlinks are still one of the powerful factors for ranking higher on Google. They boost your site's authority, improve your domain rating, and drive more organic traffic over time. Instead of manual outreach or painful link placement, you can use BabyLoveGrowth's built-in community-driven backlink network. Here's how it works. Your site links to another relevant blog in the network, that blog links to a third site, and that site links back to you. This avoids direct exchanges, which makes it safer and more effective for SEO. All the links are added naturally into your articles, so they don't look forced or spammy. Once everything is up and running, you will probably want to know, is it actually bringing results? To track your results, you can connect your Google Search Console account to your BabyLoveGrowth account. This will let you monitor how your content is performing over time, things like clicks, impressions, and average position in search results. And it's the easiest way to see your growth in real numbers. Now, like with any other SEO strategy, you will not see instant results. If you're wondering how long it will take to see the results, to see the increase in traffic, here's an answer for you. According to the BabyLoveGrowth website, most users start seeing real movement in their rankings within 3 to 6 months. However, building the strong topical authority, the kind that brings in consistent long-term traffic, typically takes 6 to 12 months of steady publishing and optimization. The good news is, with this system, all of that is happening in the background for you. You don't have to grind out blog posts every week. The content is going live and your blog traffic is growing on autopilot thanks to AI. Alright, now let's talk about how much this kind of AI setup for your blog actually costs. The full BabyLoveGrowth system, everything we've talked about, written content, automatic publishing, backlink building, analytics, all of it comes in at just $99 per month. That's it. One flat monthly price for the complete hands-off blog growth system. If you're running a business or an agency and want to resell these services to your clients, there is an agency plan too. You can manage multiple sites under one account and get bulk discounts when you add new blogs. So to wrap it up, with BabyLoveGrowth, you get high-quality AI content published for you, backlinks built automatically, traffic that grows over time, and results you can actually track. You're not stuck writing articles, managing freelancers, or chasing SEO hacks. You set it up once and it keeps working in the background while you can focus on other tasks in your business. And if you've been looking for a smarter way to grow your blog, this is exactly how to grow blog traffic on autopilot with AI. Once again, use the link in the description to try BabyLoveGrowth for yourself and see how fast your blog can grow when everything is running on autopilot. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss our future videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.